Okay, dear students, today we will do the sheet number 4. So, in the sheet number 4, question number A, what does it reads? Construct a regular hexagon. Okay, question number A is hexagon. Hexagon means it have 6 sides. Okay, hexagon have 6 sides. So construct a regular hexagon with an outside circle diameter of 80 millimeters. Okay, so the diameter given is diameter is 80 millimeters. If the diameter is 80 millimeter, what will be the radius? Radius is half of it, yani 40 millimeters. Okay, now what I have to do? I have to draw a circle first of a radius 40 millimeters. Okay, so in the exam I can ask any other diameter. Okay, the method is same. Okay, the method is like, first I will give the diameter or radius, you have to look for it. If I give the diameter, you have to make it half and take it as 40 millimeter radius. If I give 60, it will be 30. If I give 76 diameter, it will be how much? 38. Okay, so now let's adjust the diameter to, adjust the radius to 4. So now the radius is adjusted to 4. Okay, now in the center of this paper, here downside, okay, make a dot for your convenience. Make a dot. So on this dot, keep it and make a circle. Okay, after making the circle, what you have to do? So here, construct a regular hexagon. Hexagon means 6 sides. Diameter is outside circle diameter is 80. So the radius is 40. We took 40 and make a circle. Arrange it. Read the question. Arrange it so that there are 2 horizontal flats. Horizontal yani horizontal means like this, vertical like this. Okay, so horizontal flats, so it means for the horizontal hexagon will be like this. Okay, vertical hexagon will be like this. Okay, so now he is asking us to draw this horizontal hexagon. So for that, what we will do, we have to make a horizontal line. Horizontal, therefore horizontal line. Make a horizontal line. Okay, across the circle, within the circle. Okay, now with the same radius, okay, this is how much? 4. With the same radius with which what we have drawn the circle. Okay, this is the same radius. What I have to do, keep it here on this edge and draw two arcs, one upside, one downside. Okay, similarly here, keep it in this left side and one arc here, one arc here. Okay, simple. See, keep it here 1 2, keep it here 3 4. Okay, now simply join the points. So there are total 6 points. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Join them all, you will get a hexagon. Okay, one, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, see, this circle and all must be lighter and only the hexagon must be visible. So this is the hexagon with horizontal flats. So next, in the same sheet, sheet number 4, question number B. So what is question number B? Construct a regular octagon. Octagon means 8 sides. Okay, so here also the outside the circle diameter is how much? Diameter is equal to 72 millimeters. Then the radius will be 36, half, 36 millimeters. Okay, now here also what I have to do, I have to take the radius 36. Okay, measure the radius 36. So this is 1, 38. Okay, now it is 36. Okay, take 36 radius and make a dot here for your convenience. Keep it here and draw a circle. Okay, so after drawing the circle, we have to draw again a horizontal line. And also a vertical line. So you have to make sure that it is 180 degrees. What you will do, you have to keep it here. Okay, in the center and mark 90 degrees and join it. Align it with the 0 and okay. First draw a horizontal line, then vertical line. Now what you will do, take the protractor, okay, keep it at the center again. Okay, keep it at the center, and what happened? Okay, now from here measure 45 degrees, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 degrees. At 45 degrees make a dot. Similarly here 0 in this side. Okay, here also 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 degrees, make a dot. Now join this dot and this dot, okay, and simply draw inside the circle like this, okay, and also join here and here, this dot with this dot, the center, and draw a line within the circle. So now you have drawn how many lines? 4 lines. Total 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines through the center. So it will divide the circle into how many parts? 8 parts. Also it will divide the angles. See this, from here to here it is 45, 90. Again 90 plus 45, 135, 180. And it will divide the angle into 8 equal parts. So the angle here is how much? 360 degrees. 360 degrees divided by 8 sides. How much? It will be 8 ones are 8 fours are 32. 4 carry here, 40. 8 fives are 40. So 45 degrees. Each angle here, this is 45 and this is 45, 45, 45. Each angle is 45 here, okay? So now you got 8 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Join them all, you will get the octagon, okay? So this is the octagon. Okay, with this the sheet number 4 is completed. Now let's move to sheet number 5. So sheet number 5A, actually we need a set square if the distance across the flats are given, but as for now I don't have the set squares. So let's continue with the vertical flats. Okay, here also we have to draw a hexagon. Okay, hexagon have how many sides? 6 sides. So what is the radius given here? Assume it as assume it as the diameter. Okay, diameter is equal to 72 millimeters. Then the radius will be how much? 36 millimeters. Okay, now here the last part of the question, arrange it so that there are 2 vertical flats. 2 vertical flats means, as I said in the previous slide here, horizontal means like this, 2 horizontal flats. Vertical means it will be like this, vertical. Okay, so let's draw it here. Same procedure again. Take 36. I think it is already 36 as we drawn in the previous sheets. You see, it's 36. Now, for your convenience, make a dot here and use it as a center point for your circle. Make a circle. Then he is asking us to vertical flats. Arrange vertical flats. So we need to draw a vertical line. Okay. Last time we draw a horizontal line. Now we are drawing a vertical line. Okay. Draw a vertical line. Then with the same radius with which we have drawn the circle, same radius 36. Okay. Keep it here. Keep it downside and make one arc here in the left side, one arc at the right side. Similarly, keep it here, one arc to the left, one arc to the right. Okay, now you will get total 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now what you have to do, simply join the points. Okay, so see the difference between these two. This is the vertical flats. This is the previous slide. In this, it is horizontal slide. See here. For horizontal, draw a horizontal line. For vertical flats, draw a vertical line. Remaining same procedure. Okay. Now, question number B in sheet number 5 is draw a pentagon. Pentagon means how many sides? 5 sides. Okay. Now, pentagon means 5 sides. Here given the outside circle diameter equal to 70 millimeters. So the radius will be how much? 35 millimeters. So again, what you will do? Make a dot and take 35 as the radius. Okay, so take 35 as radius and draw a circle. After drawing the circle, so this method is quite different. Pentagon, the method is quite different. So make a horizontal line. Okay, better you keep it here 0, It's quite more than that, I think. Okay, so the total diameter is how much? 70. Diameter is how much? 70 millimeters. So if you divide into five parts, how much it will be each one? 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 14. Okay, 14. So repeat every time. 14, like 14 plus 14, 28, 28 plus 14, 42, 14 again plus 14, 56, again 70. Okay, 0, 14, 28, like this. So here, so it is 14, make a dot, 14, then 28, make a dot, then 42, make a dot, 56, make a dot, then 70 finally here. Okay, so this is how much? 14, 28, 42, 56, 70. This is 0. So if I give the diameter like 90, okay, suppose I give the diameter as 90, this is just an example. So 90 divided by 5 will be how much? 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 40. Okay, so 18, each division will be 18, 18, 36, 54, then again 72, 90, 0, and the division will comes like this. Okay, now so we made this into 5 equal parts. Why we are doing this? Because this is pentagon having 5 sides, so we have to divide the center line into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts we have done it. So now what we have to do with the same diameter, okay, keep the protractor like here in the left side. So now this time we have to take the diameter. Diameter is how much? 70. Okay, not radius. Watch carefully because this is diameter, not radius. Take the diameter. Okay, with this diameter make an arc downside. Similarly, keep the compass here and make an arc here. Okay, so by doing this we will get a point here, this one. So this point should be joined with the second division. Okay, this is the first one, second, the first division, second division. We have to join this with this one. Okay, okay, after joining like this, you have to join this point with this point. So this is the side of the pentagon. Now what you have to do, take the compass and adjust the radius to the side of the pentagon. Keep it here. Okay, measure it exactly like this. Now make the arcs. Again continue it by keeping it here. Make another arc here and also keep it here and make another arc here. So you will get 5 points total. Okay, this is this point, this point, this point. Okay, join them all. So join them all to get a pentagon. So this finishes your sheet number 5. Thank you.